Okay, welcome everybody, Noel leaders who are taking biology and Algebra 1 this year. Our course is called A Pandemic Proposal. There will be a special project in the third quarter around the pandemic, so we have built the course to kind of lead up to that project in a way, you'll see. So the course topics are biology and Algebra 1. It's a full year course, giving you 1 credit in biology and 1 credit in Algebra 1 or math. And your teachers for this class are myself, Miss Kathy Marcotte, and Mr. Saji. And your live Zoom class dates are as follows here. All the science that I teach occur, the live classes are at 2 in the afternoon. This class will be on Thursdays, and there are 3 dates there. September 24th, that's the second week of school. 2 weeks later on October 8th, and 2 weeks after that on October 22nd. And you can pause the video to write that down if you like, and resume in a moment, or watch it through and replay it again. Try my arrow, which is not working now. Okay, this next slide is showing you the code for the course to get into Summit. You can write that down on your document. It's a little confusing. 5F8E-F8EC. And again, you can come back or pause to write that in. Okay, on to the course. These are some things you will learn this year. After taking this biology course, you will understand the connection between chemistry and biology and algebra. You will know what living things and everything in the universe is made of. You will also see that once we know these things, we know we can protect ourselves from dangerous interactions between types of life forms, from the very large to the very small. For example, the virus we're dealing with right now that is causing our species to function quite differently. But if there's one thing that human beings are good at, it's adapting and innovating, and we're all working at that right now together. Okay, a little more description of a pandemic proposal. Students begin by looking at the building blocks and diversity of life on Earth. They then focus their attention on interactions between organisms that can cause disease. We ask the question, how does the body battle intruders? Looking deeply at the human immune system, from the immune response to autoimmune diseases, this organ system is at the cutting edge of science, where revolutionary discoveries are happening every day. Okay, so you will see in Summit, when you look at it this week, that you will see 1 semester of the course at a time. And the first quarter of semester 1, your project will be called Interior Design. I forgot the exclamation point. You'll be learning about what everything is made of, living and non-living things, and the basic building block of living things is the cell, and you will be designing a room. This is just taking a moment to load. In this app, this floor planner app, I always wanted to make a cell out of a classroom. And since we can't do that right now, we can do it online in a 3D format where you can actually, I know, I remember, be the person in the room. This is in a scale that's quite large right now, but we'll figure it out. We will be able to design a room that has items in it that represent how cells function. This is the wall of the room. We'll get better at moving around in the room as we practice, but we can add furniture and other items in the room that will represent how cells function. So it should be a fun way to represent what you've learned about cells in quarter one. In quarter two, we'll be paying a special attention to the immune system, and we will be creating a children's book that describes at a level they can understand how the immune system functions and the important parts of it, and practices like washing your hands, ways that we keep ourselves safe from these smaller organisms that can cause such havoc in our lives. So this site is an online bookmaker, and we can actually create a children's book and read it this way on this site. So I'm looking forward to using both of these programs with you to demonstrate what we learn in a fun way in biology in semester one. So Mr. Saji and I look forward to working with you. Can't wait till school starts. See you soon.